We're at Home Depot. We got the tool for the seat because I didn't have it. So now I'm back to the house to get the seats changed out. Quick update, we got the passenger seat out. The one that's blown. We're about to get the other one in. We're about to clean this out really quick and get the other one in. And the other side almost is unbolted up. Just having a little difficulty. It's freaking hard, so the bolt is hard, so we'll see what we can do. And boom, just like that, the passenger seat is in and fully operational. Let's get to this driver's seat, man. It's been freaking a struggle, maybe because the heat is on that side. This little here, this screw has been giving me the hardest problem. First, it wanted to strip. And right when I was about to give up, I was like, you know what? Let me give it one more try. This is like the hardest thing I encountered since I've been doing this car channel. For sure. I've never broken a sweat like this, guys. So we got the seats out. Gonna clean it up. The new one back in. Go get it vacuumed out, cleaned up. And there it is. Both seats are in. Shouldn't have no more seat airbag problems. I'm sure the security bag light will still come on, but you know, hey, what can we do? What's up, guys? So we are back. We're just gonna get the interior all cleaned up on both cars, since I never show any video of me actually doing the work. We got our vinyl leather spray, getting it all cleaned up. It's coming together. This side isn't done yet on the back, but this side is, and the front is. It looks a lot better. Looks like something I would probably drive now. I don't know if you guys remember, I told you this car really stunk yesterday, so I came in here and sprayed like a bunch of stuff. So I got some more Febreze. We're just gonna spray it down, see if we can get that smell out of there. Like, I really can't stand that smell. It stinks so bad. So bad it stinks. Yeah, at this point we're just trying to get the smell out of there. We'll get to the leather in a sec. And then get some gloves for this. Let's grab this car down. What's up, guys? So we are in here disinfecting and relieving this horrible smell that's in the GMC with our good old Febreze. So the smell is just about gone, but it was really stinky and this is already dirty, so how much worse could it really get? So I'll be doing this and then I'll be cleaning out the leather, see how clean we can get it. Then I'll start work on the motor once I figure that, guys. This vinyl leather rubber by Mother's Cleaner works wonders. You guys seen this door. This door was gross. Didn't even want to touch it. Now it looks flawless. You see the seat? That's before. Now I'm gonna clean it. I just want to make sure you guys see everything that's on here. Want to make sure you guys see everything that's on here. It's just dirty, so dirty. Okay, after trying the leather cleaner out, first go around, I mean, it got some of the spots off on the seat, but As you see, it's fairly still dirty. And that looks nasty. I don't know what the heck happened. I don't know, maybe that's blood. I don't know, I'm gonna think it's some hot Cheetos and stuff for now, so we pretty much just hot steam cleaned, or whatever you want to call it, with hot water and soap. Just wash the seats down, and all of the vinyl could be better, but I mean, it's way better than it originally just was. I need to get that door over there. That's what I forgot, that door. But I mean, see all the seats. Still some little flaws. Gotta take it to the car wash and vacuum all this crumb dust up. I just washed it with warm water and a scrubber, so I haven't even really used the vinyl leather yet. I'll probably use that now just to get it extra clean, and we'll go from there.